With this home trick, goodbye to the mice in one day. 1. With Paris plaster. For this you have to mix in a disposable dish and in equal parts a little flour, dry plaster and a spoonful of salt. This has to be placed near the entrances of your house or in strategic places in which you believe they can enter your home. To the mouse to eat of this mixture will feel a great thirst to drink water, and that is when this effect takes effect, as it will harden within the mouse, taking its life. 2. Chocolate with gypsum powder. Mice love sweets, but especially the taste of chocolate powder. So this can act as a good bait to eliminate rats. To do this, we mix some chocolate powder in the same way with plaster powder and place it outside around the house. And it will happen the same as in method 2, the mouse will feel a great thirst that will cause him to drink water by expanding the mixture that is inside his body, causing him to die. 3. Peppermint against rats. Its strong aroma is unpleasant for domestic rodents, so mix a cup of water with a generous tablespoon of mint extract pepperina, and emulsify. Place the liquid in a spray bottle to spray in the corners, behind furniture and in places where subjects can enter or stay rats. This will take them away while leaving your home with a delicate mint scent. 4. Cayenne pepper to avoid rodents. Place small containers of cayenne pepper or clove in the cupboards, behind the furniture and where the rats may pass, away from pets and children. The strong aroma will make them flee your home, and you will have a natural recipe without leaving any hazardous waste.